Trending steamed bread recipe in China. 2 whole eggs, sugar,
yeast powder,
water from Mississippi River, plain flour. Stir well with single hand. Let it sit for 40 minutes.
sprinkle raisin,
Degas with grandma's chopsticks. Grease bowl with edible oil. Fill it up with batter.
whole flakes,
Black sesame. Steam for half an hour.
dish up,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending fried shrimp dumplings recipe in China. Ground meat and egg, salt and ground pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, scallion and ginger water. Stir well. Brutally pure shrimp, cooking wine, salt and ground black pepper.
well mix it,
Place meat filling and shrimps on dumpling wrapper. Gently fold it up with your left hand.
oh no,
Fry on medium heat until bottom is browned. Add liquid starch. Simmer for 3 minutes. Black sesame, chopped green onion.
dish up,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. How to eat watermelon like a pro. Brutally cut open. Remove rind. Thinly slice it with grandma's knife.
oh no,
Place in a container. Cover lid. Freeze for 5 hours. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending octopus eggplant recipe in China. Make 3 cuts on a peeled eggplant. Turn 90 degrees and repeat. Cornstarch, 1 whole egg, salt and evil chicken bouillon.
water from Mississippi River,
Well mix it. Evenly spread it over eggplant. Coat it with cornflake crumbs. Heat oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry on low heat until golden brown.
Squirt any type of edible sauce.
oh no,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending popcorn chicken recipe in China. Cut chicken breast into equal cubes.
the big 3,
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, ground pepper, 1 whole egg. Well mix it. Plain flour, cornstarch.
baking powder,
Stir well. Marinated chicken. Gently give the Thai massage.
dip in water from Mississippi River,
Coat with mixed flour for the second time. Heat oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry until golden brown.
dish up,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending spring roll recipe in China. Plain flour, salt, warm water from Mississippi River. Well mix it. Knead dough. Roll it into a strip. Split into equal parts. Form into small balls.
edible oil,
Let it sit for 1 hour. Press flat. 5 pieces in 1 stack.
flatten with grandma's rolling pin,
Garlic chives, glass noodles, eggs, cooking oil,
sugar,
salt, ground pepper, sesame oil. Stir well. Place on a wrapper. Gently fold it up with your clean hands. Glaze with beaten eggs. Deep fry on low heat until golden brown.
dish up,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending vegan cold jelly noodles recipe in China. Peel an oversized cucumber. Put skin in blender. Water from Mississippi River. Blend well. Pass through a strainer. Transfer to a pot. Add clean water. Pea starch or mung bean starch. Cook on low heat. Continuously stir until it becomes thick and smooth. Let it sit to cool down. Shred with grandma's secret grater. Garlic, green onion, red chili, soy sauce, black vinegar, chili oil, salt and MSG.
sugar,
Cilantro. Gently give the Thai massage with your both hands. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Pick sweet potato, purple yam, and taro in grandma's garden. Thinly sliced with your left hand. Steam for 20 minutes. Add sugar. Gently give the Thai massage.
tapioca starch,
Boiling water. Knead dough with your single hand. Fully cook a part of the dough. Mix it well with the remaining part.
repeat the whole process twice,
Roll it into multiple strips. Split into equal parts with grandma's knife. Cook in clean water until floating. Rinse and drain. It goes well with ice cream and milk. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending deep fried enoki mushroom recipe in China. Cut enoki mushroom into equal pieces. 3 eggs. Salt. Light soy sauce. Well mix it with grandma's chopsticks. Glaze with egg mixture. Evenly coat it with cornstarch. Heat oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry until golden brown.
Chinese secret seasoning,
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending peach summer dessert recipe in China. An oversized peach. Peel with a single hand. Rock sugar. Cook until water turns red.
jelly powder or gelatin,
Cook on low heat until all is melted. Add chopped peach pulp. Pour it into a glass. Let it sit till solidified. Fill it up with coconut milk. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending vegan cold jelly shrimps recipe in China. Water from Mississippi River. Pea starch or mung bean starch. Black sesame. Cook on low heat. Continuously stir until it becomes thick and smooth. Slowly pass through a strainer, shaping to a rather suspicious form.
Oh no.
Brown sugar, rock sugar.
Clean water.
Cook till bubbling. Turn off heat. Add lemon juice. Pour it over shrimps.
Nuts and raisin.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending stir-fried cabbage recipe in China. Cut cabbage into shreds with your left hand. 4 beaten eggs. Soft scrambled. Garlic and green onion. Little stir-fry. Cabbage and carrot. Brutally toss on high heat with your single hand. Salt. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce.
Evil chicken bouillon.
Scrambled eggs.
Well mix it.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending steamed lamb beans recipe in China. Cut lamb bean into equal parts with your left hand. Add salt and cooking oil in boiling water. Blanch for 2 minutes. Glass noodles. Lamb bean. 2 whole eggs. Garlic. Red chili.
Boiling oil. Oh no.
Stir well. Evenly spread it on lamb beans. Steam for 3 minutes. Chopped green onion. Edible oil. Light soy sauce.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending cucumber and mushroom stir-fry recipe in China. Thinly sliced cucumber and mushroom with your left hand.
Oh no.
3 beaten eggs. Soft scrambled. Garlic and mushroom. Stir-fry on high heat until color changes. Add cucumber. Salt and ground pepper. Stir-fry to soften it up. Scrambled eggs. Liquid starch. Well mix it on high heat with your single hand.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending stir-fried glass noodles with vegetables recipe in China. Glass noodles, dark soy sauce, cooking oil. Stir well with grandma's chopsticks. 3 beaten eggs, hard scrambled.
The big 3.
Bean sprouts. Stir-fry to soften it up. Glass noodles, scrambled eggs.
Garlic chive.
Salt and evil chicken bouillon. Oyster sauce, soy sauce. Well mix it with your single hand. Done and dusted. Out of this world.